After you have successfully cleared the clog, finish the job so the bathroom is sanitary and the problem does not return. Start by flushing the toilet once to confirm the obstruction is fully cleared and the water level returns to normal. If the flush is successful, rinse the plunger by pouring a bucket of clean water over the rubber cup while holding it over the bowl, or pour water from the tank into the bowl to wash debris away. Then flush a second time to ensure nothing remains. If the plunger contacted visible waste, wear disposable gloves and wipe the handle and rubber head with a disinfectant wipe or a solution of 1 part bleach to 10 parts water, then allow the plunger to air dry before storing. Inspect the floor and base of the toilet for any splashes or drips. Blot them with toilet paper or a clean cloth and follow with a disinfectant spray. For porous flooring, use a mop with a disinfectant solution to remove residue. Check the bathroom vent or fan and run it for 10 to 20 minutes to reduce odors and airborne bacteria. Finally, return the plunger to its storage spot upright in a container or on a hook to keep it off the floor and ready for future use. The 3 most common mistakes are stopping after the initial flush, neglecting to clean the plunger and surrounding area, and storing the plunger directly on the floor where it can contaminate surfaces. If you stop too soon, flush a second time and observe the bowl to make sure water drains normally. Repeated testing avoids hidden partial clogs. If you skip cleaning the plunger or handle, disinfect them immediately with a bleach solution and let them dry to prevent bacterial growth. If you store the plunger on the floor, place it in a small caddy or hang it so it stays contained and away from high contact surfaces. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people can share tips and ask questions about cleanup and sanitation tasks. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to nearby homeowners who need services and a place to participate in community conversations about practical home care.